great. Oh, this is just great. This is amazing. Oh. Dad! Dad! Thaddeus! How many times do I gotta tell you to put the covers on those garbage cans? Something got in there and now there is trash all over the damn place.
But I put the covers on.
Do not lie to me. I was just out there and what is this slime crap doing all over the handles? Wash your hands when you're done playing with this monster goop.
But I wasn't even down there.
Oh, you mean like the last time that you weren't even down there? Hey, just put the lids on the trash can next time, pal. Nice monster. Listen, this is a really big night for your mother, so make sure that you hide.
Why aren't you in your tux yet, Mike?
Oh, jeez. I forgot to pick it up.
I knew you would. Strip! Do you have the tickets at least?
Yes, I have the tickets right here in my briefcase. Oh, that's not good.
I'll kill you, Mike.
Oh, no. I have the tickets, but I shouldn't have this.
A rock?
It's a meteorite. I spilled coffee on my desk, and I must have put this in the briefcase when I wiped it down. And then you called me screaming about how I was running late. Oh, geez, this is bad. This is bad. I'm screwed if I don't get this thing back. You know, this has to be locked down right away.
Are you kidding me, Michael? It's a rock!
No, you see, this isn't just any rock. This thing contains high levels of element X. We've never seen this before. If harnessed, this could be the most indestructible material the world has ever seen.
Looks like a rock to me.
Mom, Limbo's here!
Oh, do you hear that? We don't have time. Okay, I'll get that. Put the rock away and get your tux on, okay?
It's a meteorite! Oh.
Hey, Miss H, tonight's the big night, huh?
Hi, Eddie. Yeah, fingers crossed.
If you need a taste tester, you know my number. Huh?
It's incredible. Get it, Michael! I'm coming, for Christ's sakes.
So, what is tomorrow morning?
Your photo shoot with Cupcake Monthly
And where are they going to take my picture?
in the kitchen.
Where the magic happens, Miss H?
So, what does that mean we're going to do?
Keep the kitchen spotless.
And downstairs is off limits. Or else.
Got it.
Go get that trophy!
Good evening, Mr. and Mrs. Brown.
Thank you very much.
Nice to
This is
see you.
wonderful.
The right away.
I am so curious with you right now. I can't even handle this. I'm going on
No, you gotta stop. You gotta stop that, okay? No, stop. Listen to me. Listen to me right now, okay? Yes. Technically, I have my own apartment. It just happens to be in my mother's basement, okay?
Wait, why are you aiming at me? Oh.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Dudes, pizza dude is here.
The most powerful material in all the cosmos, unimaginable value in the hands of two teensy-tiny little boys. Belief it is beyond. We must call the headquarters.
My readings, they are off chart.
That seems too easy. Like trap.
You think could be ambush?
Well, we must be very, very careful. First, we go to House of International Pancakes, get 18-wheel special. When we come back, Tykes will be in bed, and we can strike.
Wait, but the kids with their playing stations and their Call of the Duties, they could be up all night long.
Da. Well, if they be awake, we institute Plan B.
Plan B.
Easy peasy with the lemon squeezy, huh?
Yes.
Come, we run.
Jog on, Ivan.
Oh man, he just grabs your head and ripped your eyeballs out. What's wrong? You love when he grabs your head and rips your eyeballs out.
Nothing. I'm just done with this game for now.
Well, you want to stay up? Dr. Morbid's creature feature's coming on soon.
You could put it on, but I'm tired. You're hungry, aren't you? Oh, come on! You scared him! Gross. Could be an extraterrestrial.
This isn't really happening, right?
Whoa, he's pretty friendly.
Nobody's gonna believe us.
Pretty slimy.
I'm 11 years old and River Lunabin.
Slimebuck. From now on, he's Slimebuck.
Vladimir, the signal is getting stronger.
Looks like little boy's still awake. Plan B it is. Operation Smash and Grab.
What Plan B?
a light switch. See? On, off, on, off.
Whoa!
Looks just like it, huh? But you're way friendlier in person, though. You know what to draw, Sue? Is that your home planet? So you crashed, huh? Is that your power cell? Where's the blade? Whew. Do not go in there. Oh, jeez. Tad, I think there's something wrong with your monster. What did you do to him? I didn't do anything. First aid kit, it's in the kitchen.
Hello, little man. How you are?
Doorbell was broken, so we let ourselves in.
It's not to be fearful, the deal. It is not big. We work with your dad down at the lab. Yes, he took something by accidental harm, which we must retrieve. Quick like bunnies. He told us to come to be seeing you. You will be shoving your faces or I will fry them off. Good. Better. Now where's the rock?
What rock? Oh, man, you can't do this. I got a math test on Tuesday and my grade depends on it. I get a gift card to GameStop. I haven't even used it yet.
Yeah, to be like, Rock is here.
You will be telling us where the rock.
Maybe it's in the basement?
You will please to keep moving.
Oh, every day I'm whistling. Vladimir, look what I find!
Oh, what a good boy you are, Ivan! I can't believe we finally found it!
We will be rich!
Great, you guys got your rock. We're just gonna head upstairs, play some Xbox, call it a night. Look, you got what you want. Now leave.
How I wish it could be that simple. But unfortunately, you have seen my face. So tragically, it will be the last one you ever see. Oh.
Bullseye!
You brats!
Run!
Ivan, get them! Ivan, you're lying around breaking things. I need those kids. If things are going to get ugly. Oh, we applaud your efforts, brave boys. But they were in vain. Ah! What happened? He hold me. What is that? What is that? No! Victor! Oh no!
Yes.
It's amazing.
I know.
It's amazing.
So, Mrs. Brown,
I'm all right.
Oh.
Thank you.
congratulations.
Oh, thank you, honey.
Easy.
Congratulations, Mrs. Brown. Thank you. Take care. Have a great night.
Oh.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Yes. You know, I have no idea what I'm going to wear tomorrow for the photo shoot.
Well, maybe if I play my cards right, I can help you pick something out. Congratulations, honey.
Thank you.
I know. Cream cheese frosting.
Oh, please look out position. My legs I cannot feel. USA number 5. Lock USA.
What? Kitchen.
Hello?
Can I keep him?
Yeah.
What's up, fellas? Large cheese for you. And a meat lovers for you, my man, all right? I'll be in the neighborhood if you need me. What the flying fox? What was that up in the window? Guys got like ghosts, something. I don't know. I gotta lay off that mushroom pizza.
We take nothing. We steal nothing.
Something feels like it's dissolving. Oh, oh.
Someone call Kremlin.